Hello students, there is a good news for you. Now you can write the same matter at different speeds. Link of the same is given in the description box. Thank you.
Start. The state has come forward with this writ petition challenging the order of the Tamil Nadu Administrative Tribunal by which the tribunal set aside the charge memo issued to the first respondent in letter dated 2/6/1999. Stop. The tribunal held that in respect of the very same charges of corruption, a criminal case in special case was laid against him before the Chief Judicial Magistrate, which resulted in his conviction by judgment dated 28/9/1992, which conviction was set aside by this court in criminal appeals, and therefore, in the light of the fact that such criminal proceedings were initiated under the special procedure which ended in acquittal, the departmental proceedings cannot be allowed to go on. Stop. The tribunal also took the view that since the facts and charges were identical in nature, in the light of the decision of the Supreme Court reported in another case, the charge memo had to be set aside. Stop. As against the above said order of the tribunal, the state has come forward with this writ petition. Stop. Para. This writ petition is resisted by the first respondent by raising certain contentions based on Tamil Nadu Civil Services Rules 1955 and on the ground that the first respondent was acquitted by this court in criminal appeals by judgment dated 20/11/1997. Stop. Para. At the very outset, we wish to state that the above contentions are covered by the order of the Supreme Court dated 26/9/2006 passed in civil appeal, wherein the regional transport officer, who was also identically placed like that of the first respondent herein, raised similar contentions which were rejected by the Supreme Court. Stop. Though the learned counsel appearing for the first respondent, who appeared for the regional transport officer in this court when the matter came up before a division bench of this court in writ petitions, the copy of the order of Supreme Court was not placed before us at the time when the arguments were advanced before us. Stop. Therefore, we deal with the contentions raised by the first respondent which found favor with the tribunal in this writ petition at length. Stop. However, since we were able to secure the copy of the order of the Supreme Court from the registry, we will refer to the same in detail at the appropriate place in the later part of this order. Stop. Para. Learned Additional Advocate General appearing for the petitioner raised three contentions. Stop. According to him, application of Tamil Nadu Civil Services Rules 1955, in particular Rules 4 and 5, will kick into operation only if the government decides to refer the case to the tribunal, and if such a step was not taken by the government, Rule 5 itself will have no application. Stop. The second contention was that the expression used in Rule 5b of the 1955 rules is only an enabling provision and not a disjunctive prohibitive provision, and that any other construction of the said expression would render Rule 5 itself unconstitutional, as that would otherwise conflict with the enforcement of legislative enactment. Stop. Lastly, it was contended that in any event, the said expression contained in Rule 5b can be read by this court to give life and make the provision a meaningful one. Stop. It was also contended that the acquittal by the High Court was not only by giving benefit of doubt and in as much as the degree of proof in the criminal case and the domestic inquiry varies to a very large extent at the threshold, namely at the stage of issuance of the charge memo. The tribunal ought not to have interfered with the said disciplinary proceedings. Stop. The learned additional advocate general relied upon some judgments in support of his submissions. Stop.